Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to work mock cable rib. As you can see here, I have a small swatch worked up, and yeah, let's just jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do is take 2 knit stitches. So here we go. Knit 1, and I'm knitting a second one, and then I'm going to purl 2. All right, and now to the fun part. What I'm going to show you next is how to do a right twist. And now this is a right twist knitwise, because we're working it as if to knit. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the tip of my right needle and I'm going to insert it into both the next 2 stitches as if to knit 2 together. So I'm going to knit these 2 together, but I'm not going to let these stitches fall off of the left needle quite yet. Before I let them fall off the needle, I'm going to actually knit right into that first stitch again. And now that I've done that, I'm going to let them fall off the needle. There we go. That's a right twist. Hey guys, so here we are zoomed in, and I just want to demonstrate this again, how to do a right twist knitwise. So we're going to knit these 2 stitches together, but I'm not going to let these stitches fall off the left needle just yet. First, I'm going to knit into this first stitch once again, and once I do that, I can let those stitches fall from the left needle. If you're ever working mock cable rib, but you want to work it in the round, you're going to need to know how to do those right twists purlwise. So this is actually a different swatch where all of the twists have been made, working them purlwise. I'm going to show you how right now. First, I'm just going to take 2 knit stitches, and then I will show you how to right twist purlwise. Now, since I'm working purlwise, I'm going to bring my yarn to the front, and I'm going to purl into this second stitch on the needle. I'm going to purl into it, but I'm not going to let it drop off that left needle. First, I'm going to purl 2 together, purling into both the first and second stitch on that left needle. And once I've done that step, you can release those stitches from the left needle. So let me take 2 more knit stitches and I'll show you that right twist purlwise one more time. So once again, with my yarn in front, purl into that second stitch on the needle, then purl into both the first and second stitch on the needle together, and then let those stitches fall from the left needle. Okay guys, here we are zoomed in. I just want to demonstrate that right twist purlwise, nice and up close. So with my yarn in front, I'm going to purl into this second stitch. I'm going to leave that on the needle so that I can purl into both of these. So purling 2 together, purling to both the first and second stitch. And once I've done that, I can let those fall from the left needle.